So you have a number of people that are in prison who never did anything that shows a sort of moral abandon or depravity as would justify a death in prison sentence, because that's what life without is. It's a death by imprisonment sentence. It's the slow death of 60 years in the cases of some of these men that were locked up earlier, 70 years in prison. They were peripheral characters in a crime that spiraled out of control, that wasn't conceived at the beginning to involve taking another person's life. And because a lot of these guys were teenagers at the time of the incident that gave rise to their life sentence, they didn't really even have the maturity or clarity to recognize that their behavior could result in the taking of another person's life. Like they might have participated in the whole, several robberies, with assurances being given by all concerned that no one's going to get killed and we're just going to show the gun to intimidate them, and then sitting in a getaway car, being a wheelman, and then the guy that goes in actually shoots somebody, much to their shock and in some cases indignation and amazement. I worked on this one case where there were 12 guys in a van. They were Vietnamese, and they were being pursued by a car filled with rival gang members. Now,
this call and your telephone number will be monitored and recorded.
When suddenly one of the guys in the van, without talking about it or discussing it with anybody else, because one of the guys in the van became a state witness, so that witness describes what happened as one of the guys just suddenly jumps out of the van, runs up to the car of the pursuing gang people, and opens fire. They all the 12 people in the van, and then getting charged under the natural and probable consequences doctrine with the murder, even though they hadn't agreed to this behavior. And when the shooter gets back to the van, they immediately, all the people in the van, according to the state's own witness, start saying, "What the hell did you do? You just go off and do that without talking to anybody?" And they were so mad they were considering shooting that guy for what he had done. Nevertheless, they all got life sentences for that. And so that's the sort of anomalies that can occur because of these inflexible felony murder doctrines and aiding and abetting doctrines. It casts a really wide net. And a lot of the people that are caught with these life without sentences and life sentences are there under theories of vicarious liability, and they don't deserve it. It's really not defensible in their case. I say that not speaking, because obviously I'm not the conscience of society, but, it's generally recognized that California in particular has a much harsher penological regime than anybody else in the entire civilized world. I mean, there's more people doing life without in California than there are in the whole rest of the world, so far as the statistics show. And so, the per capita statistic is just off the chart. So it's something that I feel, having met some of these men that are now 20, 25 years old or 30 years old, and are scheduled for death in prison, that it should be looked at. But it is an injustice because they never actually made a conscious decision to take another person's life willfully or deliberately or intentionally.